Quick connectors are vital in car lifts for their ease of installation, maintenance, and reliable performance. They ensure secure, leak-proof connections, enhancing safety and preventing downtime. Our company has a variety of quick connectors suitable for jacks, mainly ISO-B and flat-face series. In addition, we can also provide customized services. Conforms to ISO 7241B specifications, ensuring compatibility with other standard hydraulic couplings. Designed for quick and effortless connection and disconnection, reducing downtime and improving productivity. Made from high-grade materials, hardened steel, providing excellent resistance to wear, corrosion, and harsh operating conditions. Designed with a safety locking mechanism to ensure secure connection, prevent accidental disconnection and increase safety during operation. Flat-face quick coupling connectors in car lifts offer several advantages, including leak prevention, secure connections, and ease of use. Their durable, flat sealing design withstands high pressures, ensuring reliable performance. These connectors also enhance safety by preventing accidental disconnection and minimizing fluid leaks, contributing to the efficient and safe operation of car lifts.